everyone! Have you ever wanted to earn money using cool technology like AI? Today, I'm going to show you 5 fun ways to make money with AI. These ideas can help you start making money and have a great time doing it. So grab a pencil and paper because you're going to want to remember these tips. Before we jump in, I want you to know that AI is really exciting. It's changing how we do things every day. First, start a social media management company. First up is starting your own social media management company. That sounds fancy, right? But it's actually pretty simple. Many businesses need help with their social media pages. If you can help them post fun pictures and updates, you can earn some money. There are tools like Tapo that can help you come up with great posts. You can create posts, stories, and even fun slideshows for companies. If you help just a few businesses, you could make a lot of money each month. It's a great way to use AI and help others at the same time. Second, start an AI optimization agency. Next, let's talk about starting an AI optimization agency. This is just a fancy way of saying you help businesses use AI to be better at what they do. For example, a friend of mine who is really good with computers started a company that helps people organize their work better using AI. You can learn some tools and help local businesses save time and money. If they like your help, they'll pay you for it. It's like being a superhero for their business. 3. Invest in AI companies. Now, let's think about investing in AI companies. This means putting your money into businesses that are using AI to make great things. Even though you might not be able to invest in super big companies, you can still invest with companies like Fundrise, which lets you put money into cool tech ideas. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow. Fourth, build an e-commerce business. Another fun idea is to build an e-commerce business. This means selling stuff online. You can use AI tools to help you find what people want to buy and even design exciting logos. With tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, you can create awesome product pictures without spending a lot of money. Once you find your special product, you can sell it using websites that help you do everything smoothly. 5. Automate affiliate marketing. Lastly, let's talk about automated affiliate marketing. This is when you tell people about someone else's products, and when they buy, you get paid a little money. Now, there are tools that can help you write about these products for you. You can set up a simple website, and I will help you do most of the work. It's a fun way to earn money while sharing things you love. Conclusion. So there you have it. 5 easy and exciting ways to make money using AI. I really believe that if you start today, you can do amazing things. Don't wait. Start taking small steps and watch how far you can go. I want to hear what you think about these ideas. Tell me in the comments below what you liked best. A big thank you to Fundrise for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun ideas about money and business. Thanks for watching. Let's go out and have some fun making money. Bye.